of Mice. Once, there was a king of mice. He lived inside a banyan tree in the forest. He loved the tree as his home. He lived there happily. One day, a poor man wanted to cut down the banyan tree. The king of the mice was frightened, so he asked the woodcutter to leave the tree standing. In result, he would give the woodcutter a gold every day. The woodcutter agreed. Every evening, the king of the mice gave a piece of gold to the woodcutter. The gold was taken out from the roots of the banyan tree. The woodcutter was happy and took the gold home. After a few days, the woodcutter's wife asked him, "Where does the gold come from?" So he replied, "The king of the mice gave me the gold from under the roots of the tree." "Oh, you are stupid," his wife said and suggested. "Why don't you cut down the tree and take the gold all away?" The woodcutter would do as his wife said. The following day, the woodcutter cut down the banyan tree. Unfortunately, he did not find any gold there. Instead, the king of the mice had run away and crept up to the woodcutter's house. The king of the mice took back all the gold.